Let's solve a problem involving sets and roster form. We need to express the following set in roster form. Here's our set C, defined as the set of all x where x is a positive integer and x squared is less than 18. To solve this, we'll test positive integers one by one and check if their squares are less than 18. Let's create a table to organize our work. Let's start with x equals 1. When we square 1, we get 1, which is less than 18, so 1 is in our set. Next, let's try x equals 2. 2 squared is 4, which is also less than 18, so 2 is in our set. 4x equals 3. 3 squared is 9, which is still less than 18, so 3 is in our set. When x equals 4, 4 squared is 16, which is still less than 18, so 4 is also in our set. Finally, let's try x equals 5. 5 squared is 25, which is greater than 18, so 5 is not in our set. And since the squares of all larger integers will be even bigger, we don't need to check any more numbers. Let's visualize this on a number line to see the pattern. Therefore, we can now write set C in roster form. Set C equals the set containing 1, 2, 3, and 4. To verify our answer, let's graph y equals x squared and y equals 18 to C where they intersect. The graph confirms our answer. The points where x is a positive integer and y is less than 18 correspond exactly to x equals 1, 2, 3, and 4.